Two streaming giants, one showdown. Which one truly delivers what you want? YouTube TV or FuboTV? On the left, YouTube TV, the streaming giant for all audiences. And on the right, FuboTV, the sports powerhouse packed with channels. Let's skip the buzzwords and see how they really stack up, category by category. Each round gives out points, so you'll know exactly who comes out on top by the end. The winner might just surprise you. Okay, so here's our roadmap for today. We're checking out price and plans, channels, sports, features and DVR, device compatibility, user experience, and, international Spanish options. I mean, what don't these things try to do? Anyway, that's our battle map for this comparison. Let's kick it off with price and plans. So YouTube TV keeps it pretty simple. One main plan, $73 a month, basically all in, no sketchy region fees. Sure, if you want NFL Sunday Ticket, that's extra, which stings a little, but at least you know what you're paying for, right? Fubo, on the other hand, is like a menu at a diner. Pro, Elite, Premier, you can choose. But honestly, most plans aren't exactly cheap. Pro starts at about $75. Elite goes higher, and sometimes there are surprise regional sports fees. If you're not super into sports, the value kind of drops off. So YouTube TV actually wins on pricing. Simplicity for the win here. Now, channels. YouTube TV gives you a solid 100 plus. All the basics, big entertainment, the stuff you actually watch. Warner Media, all major broadcasters, very reliable. But quick heads up, their sports lineup is missing some regional networks. And forget about MLB Network. Fubo, though, they go hard. 185 plus on the lowest plan, up to 250 if you want everything. The real kicker? Fubo is king when it comes to regional sports. And their whole ESPN plus a ton of other sports channels game is strong. You may miss out on some entertainment or news stuff, and yeah, those fees for RSNs can pop up. But for channels, especially sports, Fubo wins, hands down. Sports. Okay, if you live and breathe sports, this part is huge. YouTube TV does have ESPN, some national stuff, and that NFL Sunday Ticket is an option. But for local and regional games, think NBA, MLB, NHL, YouTube TV just doesn't hold up. It's kind of basic. Fubo, this is where they flex. They have live sports galore. Regional, national, soccer, football, you name it. It's honestly the best choice out there for American sports nuts who don't want to miss their team. Only thing is, if you want absolutely everything, you'll be paying top dollar. Still, for sports, Fubo takes the crown. Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know. Fubo TV actually streams over 55,000 live sporting events every single year. Like, that's wild. If you want max sports, they're pretty much unbeatable. On features and DVR, YouTube TV dishes out unlimited cloud DVR, like record everything and you have 9 months to watch it all. You get 3 streams at a time, which covers most households, right? Fubo's got 1,000 hours of DVR, which, let's be real, isn't quite infinite, but should be enough unless you're recording 20 screens at once. You do get 10 simultaneous streams, though, so big families, you're covered. The catch? Fubo's add-on system can honestly get confusing. So, for flexibility and keeping things easy, YouTube TV wins this round. Device compatibility. YouTube TV, it just works everywhere. Roku, Chromecast, Apple TV, Fire TV, PlayStation, Xbox, smart TVs, everything. The interface is clean too. Super Google vibes. Only thing is, 4K streaming? You gotta go for an extra add-on. Fubo is also super broad. Smart TVs, Roku, Chromecast, Xbox, and they throw in some 4K for certain sports without the upcharge, which is nice. But yeah, if you're on PlayStation, nope. And some folks do report little glitches here and there. So again, YouTube TV is probably the more seamless, worry-free choice for most people. User experience. This is like massively underrated. With YouTube TV, it just feels familiar. Search is easy, the UI is fast, switching channels is smooth, discovering stuff is a breeze thanks to the YouTube vibes. Fubo's got the whole cable-style grid going on, which is cool if you're old school, and you can filter channels like a champ. Sometimes, though, it can feel a bit clunky, and there are occasional hiccups. So if you want pretty, easy, and fast, YouTube TV is your go-to here. International or Spanish language content, you ask? YouTube TV does have a handful of Spanish channels, but not much for international programming. Fubo, though, goes next level. The Fubo Latino plan is a thing. Over 50 Spanish channels for $33 a month, and there are way more international options hiding in there. You will have to pay extra for those, but at least it's an option. So for diversity in content, Fubo finally scoops up a win here. So if we map these two on a radar chart, YouTube TV is crushing it in price, features, device support, user experience. Fubo is dominating channels, sports, and international/Spanish content. Forget picking one based on a single category. It's all about what matters most to you. So here's my take. If you're a hardcore sports freak, especially into regional games, and want the most channels possible, Fubo TV makes sense. But for most people, folks who like simplicity, a rock-solid user experience, and broad device support, YouTube TV is just easier to live with. Pick the one that vibes with how you watch. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to bookmark it. Seriously, these plans change all the time. Check in regularly before hitting that subscribe button, because, honestly, you could save a lot by just watching for updates.